Race 62 on the border right now. Whānau, under 19 mix, W12 Tehu final. Lane 1, Rakaumanga Raks 19 mix. Lane 2, Napier Boys All Sources in Napier Girls High School. Lane 3, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Mangere. Lane 4, Te Kura Kaupapa o Ruamato Matarangi. Lane 5, Ngātai Aotea Hiriwa. Lane 6, Manurewa Mixed Gold. Lane 7, Te Kura... Aroha mai whānau. Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Hokianga Puhi Moana Ariki. Lane 8, Cullinane College Boil-Up. Lane 10, Manikura Tuakana. Lane 11, Hamilton Girls and Hamilton Boys. And Lane 12, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Ngāuria Maui. We have Manurewa on our screen right now.
I have my idol there in seat number 6, Maurose Morete. Big shout out to her.
Koia tōku teina as well e te iwi. Koia te kauringi.
Ko tū te haki whero. They're all coming up together. Oh, black flag. Oh, try to get a running start.
Too keen e te iwi.
Oh, this is the Te Ihu final.
Very exciting. Oh,
and there goes the green.
I think that's lane 4.
Te Kura Kaupapa o Ruamata had a really good start.
Yeah, they've gotten the jump on the rest of the pack.
Manurewa High School, ka pai. Oh, Ngātai Aotea.
T-dub. It's anyone's race, I reckon, whānau.
Ruamata. Oh. Ruamata, Ngātai Aotea. Oh, Manurewa. Oh, neck and neck. Let's see who pulls away, starts to pull away.
Oh, it's too tight.
Ngātai Aotea's
4, 5 and 6, eh? Real tight.
Oh, let's see. The final push. The final push. Who is it going to be?
Push.
Oh, Ngātai Aotea coming in first, taking it. Oh, wow, ka pai.
Ka pai you fellas, Ngātai Aotea
Hiriwa.
They are your winners for the under-19 mix, Te Ihu final.
I think in second was Ruamata.
Yeah, I'd say so, Ruamata, I think. Ruamata or Manurewa, maybe. Too close to tell.
Ooh. Lane 4. Ruamata had a really good start.
They did.
They're first to hit the halfway point. But Ngātai Aotea just came in the last push.
Yeah, I can see a couple of Rūtene's girls in there.
Hine Gable, Caitlin Gable, no Roimata.
Yeah, no Tirohanga Rātou. But I think for school, I think Tūranga is their coach, I believe. Seen him down at marshalling.
Te Tuki, see some Te Tuki.
There's a good mix of club paddlers in this crew.
Oh. And first place, Ngātai Aotea Hiriwa with a time of 103.33. And second, Manurewa Mixed Gold with a time of 103.83. And in third place, Te Kura Kaupapa o Ruamata Matarangi with a time of 104.8.